Guys come only in summertime. They migrate, I haven't read that for years, but I think they go up to Central Africa, migrate back into Southern Africa for summertime. And a very typical low-veld sound. You don't hear these guys further up into the interior of Southern Africa. Even though they are kingfishers, they eat mainly insects. These guys also, like a lot of other African kingfisher species, don't really catch a lot of fish anymore. They've learned that it's easier to eat butterflies and grasshoppers and so on. Well, I think we let him call 1 or 2 more times, and then we're just going to take a little break this side of the vehicle. Just need to stretch legs a little bit and look around for a while, and you'll enjoy the waterhole, and we'll see you back here in a bit.